Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the signs and visualizing the number line. This makes the how immediate. First, rewrite any subtraction as adding the opposite because that reduces cases you must handle. Next, find absolute values so you know magnitudes before deciding direction. Once done, compare magnitudes when signs differ. The larger magnitude determines the sign. Make sure to mark direction on the number line. Doing so explains why a negative result occurs, rather than just giving an answer. You now apply concrete rules to compute. For multiplication and division, remember, same sign yields positive, differing signs yield negative. This comes from pairing directional changes. For addition and subtraction, if signs match, add magnitudes and keep the sign. If signs differ, subtract the smaller magnitude from the larger and take that sign. Once done, simplify by removing unnecessary plus signs and using parentheses to keep negatives clear. This prevents sign flip errors later. When combining multiple steps, you finish by verifying each step and simplifying. Always redo the operation in reverse to check. If a result looks unexpected, estimate on the number line to confirm the sign and magnitude quickly. Make sure to distribute negatives across parentheses correctly because a missed minus often causes wrong answers. Finally, rewrite the final answer in simplest terms and box it. If something still fails, isolate the step with the opposite operation to find the sign or magnitude mistake fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.